Happy Monday, class. So I want to get right into it. Today is going to be it's going to be a different day for our Monday. So if you haven't turned in your International Night project, please turn it in. I've gotten 3 submissions. Thank you to those 3 people. I would love to have a few more featured from our class to go along with other second grade classes for our International Night. So as far as that goes, please just keep it simple. I've put a few links down below that are about the Caribbean islands that your students can use that you guys can use to help you get facts and things about the Caribbean islands, and maybe it will inspire you to make a poster or a quick video stating some facts, or you make up a dance or a song, something that you would like to do that's creative to represent what you have learned about the Caribbean islands. Okay? Please send that to me by the end of today. If you need another day, please message me. I will be putting the video together Tuesday and Wednesday. So that's why we're asking for them to be due, by the end of today. Okay? AR quizzes. If you have already turned in your International Night project, then you can work on reading and getting your AR quizzes done for the week. All right. And so yeah, that's that. And also down below, you are going to find, aside from those AR quizzes, aside from those books that are AR that you can read aloud with, you guys are going to also vote for the learner profile of the month for the month of May. This month's learner profile or learner attribute is reflective. So reflective is somebody that, that they think on their choices before they make them. And then if they do make a choice, it's not necessarily a good choice, then they think about how they can do better the next time. So somebody who, tries to think before they act, or if they act and they make a mistake, they think on how they can fix it. So you guys are going to vote for the students we have left that have not been a learner profile. You're going to vote for that person, and it's going to be down below. Okay. Now, your AR quizzes from last week. Woo! So thank you. A lot more this week than there were, a lot more last week than there were the week before that. So thank you, Raphael, Amy, Andrea, CJ, Kenyon, Isaiah, Daniel, Ulysses, Nicholas, and Annabelle. You guys all completed 1 or more AR quizzes last week that you passed. I know some of you took some AR quizzes and you didn't pass them, and that's okay. Just make sure that when you guys are reading, especially if you're, listening to a read aloud online, don't hesitate to take out a piece of paper and jot down something, for every page that the person reads to you, or listen to it more than one time, and so that you're ready when you take your AR quiz. Draw a picture of like some of the characters and the details while you are listening to the story, or when you're done, to see that you got it. There's so many different things you can do to make sure that you are understanding what the book is saying. And of course, make sure you're listening to, what the characters are doing and how they're feeling, so that when you take that quiz, you can, you can actually understand those comprehension questions. Okay. But thank you guys for taking at least 1 or more quizzes last week, these people. All right. And as far as our top readers, these 2 students, they passed 3 quizzes and their average score was 100%. So that means on every quiz that they took last week, they got 100%. All right. And our top readers are Amy and Kenyon. Congratulations. You guys are so fantastic. You are awesome. So make sure you guys keep taking your AR quizzes and reading. All right. Now, as far as the rest of the week goes, on Tuesday, I will post the science assignment. On Wednesday, I'll post the social studies assignment. And then the AR quizzes are already going to be posted. So once you get through with your science and social studies assignments, if you haven't done your AR quizzes for the week, please work on your AR quizzes. And then if you have any assignments from last week that don't have a grade, that's missing a grade when you look in the grade book, then please try to complete those. Any assignments from the entire time we've been on our virtual learning, those assignments are under graded assignments on our website here. So you just kind of look to your left to your right in the top, It'll say graded assignments. You click on there, you will see every assignment that I have ever posted since we have been using our website. Okay. Now make sure, make sure you're doing that. This is our last week to work on grades. So if you have all your assignments completed and there's something that wasn't a great grade and you want to go back and do it, then just, have your parents message me and I can help you get to that assignment so you can redo it. Okay. All right. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me, and you guys have a magnificent Monday.